What do you want? What is it you want? Outside? Yes? Come on. You're such a good boy. Uh-oh. It's starting to rain. Uh-oh. Go on. Oh. Good morning. Oh dear, I thought I was going to be able to cut grass today, but it's raining. Oh dear. Out, Oliver? Come on, Oliver. Did somebody say rain? I thought I heard you say rain. Come on, Oliver. Let's go. Come on. Comes Freezer. Here goes Freezer. Come on, Freezer. Keep going. That's it. Go on. Yep, it's cold. Go on. Oliver. Come on, Oliver. Good boy. Good boy, Oliver. Good boy, Oliver. You can do it. You can do it. Yes. Anybody else? Waiting in the wings? Somebody come. Oh, it's Sus. Hi, Sus. What do you want, Sus? Sus. No, thank you. No, thank you. Good boy, Sus. Come on. Hurry up. Here it goes. Don't let Oliver sneak back in. Oliver's not happy now. It's raining. Don't you want to go out, Sus? Silly girl. You're a silly girl. Oops. Go out, Sus? Do you want to go out, Sus? Yeah, I don't think so, Mom. I don't think so. Uh-oh. Oliver didn't want to stay out very long. Uh-oh. Oliver changed his mind. I better close the door. You don't close the door? Okay.